Titan Armory, Titan Gang, what's good? I'm back with another video. This is episode 3. We are playing against Texas State. We are 0-4 right now. We're a little bit ahead right now, but we're 0-4. We're going to get into this game. Boom! It's been a rough season for your boys out here, but they still got heart, they still got character, and they still got motivation. Hey, you know how we run. Straight man. Uh-oh. No! Big run by the offense. Big run, big run, big run. Oh, no. Can't throw the ball. It's a screen. It's a screen. Get him. Let's go. Good tackle. Two-yard pass on the play. I'll take that all day long. Run. Counter. Let's go. Big play on the field. Motion on the play. They motioning. All right, I'm going. Oh, 4th and 4. Still running Strickland right now. I don't know. We may end up running Tyson in this game, but y'all let me know who y'all want to see. But Strick just be running that shit. He's slow as shit, but he be running that bitch. Gotta run. Oh, nothing. And he's already injured. Strickland's already injured. I repeat. They have to fix that. Let me know how y'all feel about that. About the wear and tear in this game, bro. Oh my gosh. That pressure. Punt that shit. Ah, damn it. Get to him. Oh no. Big hit by 2-7. Big hit by 2-7. Whoa. Let's go. Big sack. Oh, no sack. No. That was the sack we needed, D. We needed that sack, D. Come on, y'all. Let's go, big sack. Big sack on the play, Tyrell. Big sack. All right, we gonna run Valentine. I like running safety sometimes. Oh, that's open. Oh, he didn't take that one. Yeah, touchdown. Come on, y'all. They're in the shotgun right now. Come on, get there. Big pick. I should have stayed in the end zone, but big pick. Trust the man defense. Let's go, big catch. That Foreman, he been balling. I like Foreman. Foreman is Strickland. Big play by Big Strick. Big. Oh! Broken coverage to the 5. Touchdown, Lions! Oh, I missed. Oh, touchdown, Texas State. No, big touchdown, Texas State. They right back in it. The score is 7-6 right now. We are not doing well on defense. Defense been doing kind of spotty. They done had 3 possessions though. 3 possessions, 1 touchdown. I'll take that. This is low-key a big possession because, like, oh, good shot. Let's go 1-8. That's 1-8 or 1-1. Good pass. Let's go. Tyler Olsen. Tyler Olsen been, even in the last game, Tyler Olsen been doing this thing. But you already know who about to get the ball now. Big Strick. Never the little one. Remember his name. Big Strick. Never the little one. Let's go, Big Strick. 6 yards. All right, let's go. This is very important. This is where we struggle at. We struggle down here in the red zone. What the fuck was that quarterback? Oh, Olsen. Olsen selling. Olsen selling. Olsen selling. Olsen selling. No, he's selling. No. He's selling. Oh, we got him. Oh, my gosh, bro. He sold. Nah, he sold. He sold. He sold. He sold. Nah, my quarterback sold. Gosh, bro. This defense is killing me, bro. It is not that hard, bro. Motion. Big tackle for loss. 1-2. Come on, defense. Show some heart. Whoa. Woo! He was about to get sent to God himself. No, sir. Good job, defense. More D. Give me one more, D. Give me one more. Oh, bad guy. Bad guy. Let's run some zone real quick. Oh. Big run by Texas State quarterback. This is the Wildcat. I literally said run right, and they didn't do it. Let's show some heart, offense. Let's show some heart. Oh my gosh, bro. They won't catch it, bro. They won't catch the football. Come on, y'all. Nothing's open. I can't do a goddamn thing, bro. Let's run our own play. Fuck whatever that coach talking about. But I'm getting tired of them calling these dumbass plays. So I'm gonna give me the handbook. I got this. Give me the handbook. Let's go! Let's go! When you hand me the playbook, look what happens. I be trying to let them handle it, but sometimes I'm like, bro, give me the playbook. Got him deep. Oh. Oh, Strick, Big Strick, never the little one. Big Strick, never the little one. Oh, out the pocket with it, I'm out. Oh, he fumbled. He fucking fumbled. Come on, cuz. Come on, cuz. Let's go. That would have been a touchdown. Oh, wow, he cut that shit back. Oh. 3rd and goal, defense, 3rd and goal. Oh, gosh, you gave up a end route, bro. Good catch. Oh, no. Oh, he caught it. Oh, he dropped it. Oh my gosh, big strip, never the little one. Oh no! That one's on me. All right, let's see if we can make something happen. Bro, O-line is so important, bro, that it's oh my god, bro. And then my quarterback, bro. Oh, my quarterback's so bad. I really need a quarterback, bro, for next year. You're done. What's this dude? Field general. Black scene is like me getting like beat like this, or if I should like fast forward into the next season where we get better players and stuff like that. But this is kind of depressing to play. I literally, bro, I can't do nothing. Oh, that's the wrong person. I misclicked, bro. Defense, y'all playing good. Oh, big sack on the defense. Big sack. Motion. Let's go. That shit is dead. Two. That's Scooty Scoot. Number 2-2. Scooty Scoot. Number 2-2. Scooty Scoot. Where's Peek at? Peek ain't out here. Let's go. Let's go. Good touchdown. Good touchdown, boy. Show some heart. This is a whole different game. Like you see that? Like you see that? Like look. Like you see what I'm saying? 10-5 touchdown. Thank God that's over. You see, we lost 13-72. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next video, we have a recruitment update video coming up for y'all because we got a bye week, so we got a couple of recruitment days in a row. So I'm gonna get y'all a recruitment video up next. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what was your favorite part of this video down below. It's Ty and Armory Gaming, and I'm out. Peace.